Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the desert of India, basically the Thar desert. It is in the northwestern part of India. You can see it on the image, basically covering the parts of Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, and some part of it is also in Pakistan. The major river, the only major river of the desert of India, that is the river Luni. So the rainfall is very low, less than 15 centimeter annual rainfall, 15 centimeter annual rainfall. So if rainfall is very low, definitely it is not agriculturally productive areas. And main characteristics of this area, that is the sand dunes. That means the different structure formed by the deposition of the sand, and sand dunes are the longitudinal valleys formed by the sand. You can see the image here. This is the sand dunes. That means the longitudinal valleys formed by the deposition of the sand, that is called the sand dunes. Now let us discuss about the coastal plain of India. This is the coastal plain of India, and the coastal plain of India can be divided into two parts. Number one, western coastal plain. It is in between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghat. And the eastern coastal plain, it is in between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghat. Now the western coastal plain can be divided into three parts. Northernmost part, that is the Konkan coast, center Kannad coast, and the south, that is the Malabar coast. And similarly, the eastern coastal plain also can be divided into two parts. The northern part, northern Sikar coast, and the southern part, that is the Coromandel coast. And one point to be noted, that is the Lake Chilika is the largest saltwater lake of India. It is in Odisha. Now let us discuss about the group of islands of India. This is the group of islands of India. Number one, in the southwestern part of India, that is the Lakshadweep Island, and southeastern part of India, that is the Andaman and Nicobar group of island. Now, the Lakshadweep group of island, they were also known by other names. For example, Lakshadweep Island, Minicoy and Amindeep. These were the earlier names of the Lakshadweep Island, and there are approx 36 islands are there in Lakshadweep Island. And when we talk about the Andaman and Nicobar group of island, the northern part of the Andaman and Nicobar group of island, that is called the Andaman Island, and the southern part of the Andaman and Nicobar group of island, that is called the Nicobar group of island. And total in the Andaman and Nicobar group of island, more than 500 islands are there, and most of them are uninhabited. And one point to be noted, that is the Varren Island. Varren Island is the only active volcano of India which is in Andaman and Nicobar group of island. Thank you.